Top 10 Canva features. Canva is a powerful online design tool that allows you to create stunning graphics, logos, flyers, posters, presentations, and more. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, Canva has something for everyone. Here are some of the top features that make Canva stand out from the crowd. 1. Templates. Canva has thousands of ready-made templates for various categories and occasions. You can browse by theme, style, industry or purpose and find the perfect template for your project. You can also customize any template to suit your needs and preferences. 2. Elements. Canva has a huge library of elements that you can use to enhance your designs. You can choose from icons, shapes, stickers, frames, grids, charts, illustrations, and more. You can also upload your own elements or use Canva's drag and drop feature to add them to your canvas. 3. Fonts. Canva has over 500 fonts that you can use to add text to your designs. You can also change the size, color, alignment, spacing and style of your text with ease. You can also upload your own fonts or use Canva's font pairing tool to find the best match for your design. 4. Photos. Canva has millions of high-quality photos that you can use for free or for a small fee. You can search by keyword, category or color and find the perfect photo for your design. You can also edit your photos with filters, effects, adjustments and more. 5. Videos. Canva has a video maker that lets you create stunning videos in minutes. You can use Canva's templates or start from scratch and add your own clips, photos, music and text. You can also trim, crop, rotate and resize your videos with ease. 6. Animations. Canva has an animation feature that lets you add motion to your designs. You can choose from different animation styles and apply them to your elements, text or background. You can also preview and download your animated designs as GIFs or MP4 files. 7. Background remover. Canva has a background remover tool that lets you erase the background of any photo with one click. You can use this feature to create transparent images, cutouts, stickers, and more. You can also fine-tune the edges of your selection and add a new background if you wish. 8. Brand Kit. Canva has a brand kit feature that lets you store and access your brand assets in one place. You can upload your logo, colors, fonts and templates and use them across all your designs. You can also share your brand kit with your team members and collaborators for consistency and efficiency. 9. Collaboration. Canva has a collaboration feature that lets you work on your designs with others in real time. You can invite people to view, edit or comment on your designs and see their changes as they happen. You can also chat with them within Canva and get feedback and suggestions. 10. Publishing. Canva has a publishing feature that lets you share your designs with the world in various ways. You can download your designs as images, PDFs or videos and print them or share them online. You can also publish your designs directly to social media platforms, websites or email campaigns. These are some of the top features that make Canva a great design tool for anyone who wants to create amazing graphics without any hassle.